This laptop from Tecno could actually beat Apple MacBooks. Totoo ba yan? Actually, parang MacBook to De joke lang. This is the Tecno Megabook S1 15.6 inches. And this is a very powerful yet very affordable laptop from Tecno. Now, the laptop world is dominated by Taiwanese companies like Asus, Acer, Gigabyte, MSI, you name it. Halos wala na ibang alternative. Merong si Microsoft medyo mahal and the MacBook is very expensive. Pero alam niyo ba, si Tecno ay merong offering na kung hindi mas maganda, well, mas mura ng todo compared sa mga Taiwanese counterparts. Now, the Megabook S1 15.6 inches has very powerful Intel Core i5 12th gen processor. Meron pa siya 16GB LPDDR5 RAM, 1TB SSD. The look and identity of the whole laptop looks like that from that American company that we all love and know. But looking at the box, it does look like a creative laptop in my opinion. With all the different colors right here. To be mega, ang nakalagay? Megamall, Megabyte, Megabook. Pero wala ng arte, no? Ito na po yung ating unboxing ng Megabook S1 from Tecno. It's Vince, you're watching Unbox Diaries. Ooh. Wait, kung mapasin nyo, wala ako sa studio. Is this a new studio? No, actually sa hotel ako dito sa Taiwan. Nirent ko lang po yung lugar. Pinalayas ko lang yung mga tao dito. I bought the whole place just for the studio. Yeah, I can do that. De joke lang. Nakiusap lang ako na, pwede pa mag-shoot dito. Ang ganda sa lighting, ang ganda ng background. Oh my God. At saka meron akong magandang ilaw dito. Pero, this is the MacBook. Megabook. Ito po. Unbox ko na. Okay, uy. Look at that. Sino ba nakaisip ng ganitong klaseng packaging? Sino na-pause niyan? May naisip ba kayo? Oh my God. Even dito, wala siyang kamukha. Pati itong cardboard, I'm just waiting for Apple stickers. Tecno stickers. Ito yung kanyang manual, user manual. At, yun lang yung laman ng loob. And of course, yung charger niya andito. By the way, 65 watts yung kanyang charger. Gun charger po to And look at that. What the small thing is this? Totoo bang charger to ng laptop? 65 watts yan gun charger. Oh my God, this thing is easily pocketable. Kasi yung mga charger dyan, ang lalaki, ang bibigat. This one is so light and compact. Meron tayong USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable na sobrang haba. Well, syempre, kailangan mahaba yung cable ng isang laptop kasi isasaksak mo dun sa outlet. And you're gonna work on a table. Medyo malayo minsan. And here is the laptop. Oh my goodness. This is magnesium alloy. Grabe guys. Sobra talagang ginaya ni Apple to. Oh my God. Ito yung tsura ng laptop, no? Very thin. Actually, very light for a 15.6 inch laptop. Yan, no? Uy! Okay, so pinabangan kayo Yung design pala niya is sobrang nipis niya at sobrang light. Very portable po siya. Together with the very portable and mini charger na included sa kanya, kasyang-kasya siya sa isang bag na kahit 14 inches lang. That is how compact yung kanyang form factor. Ito lang dinala ko yung laptop ng pagganyan. Naglalakad ako sa office. Parang, may dala pala ako. Parang makakalimutan mo siya kasi sobrang gaan niya. May laptop pala akong dala. It's just so light. It kind of feels like parang notebook lang. Grabe. Tapos, wala lang mansanas. Yun lang. Wait, shut up and take my money. Now, the whole look of the laptop definitely looks like that premium laptop brand. It is made out of magnesium alloy. Iceless nano-coating technology po yan. And because of that, sobrang gaan po niya. 1.35 kilograms lang daw siya. And it's only 13.5 millimeters thick. And look at the sides. Grabe yung kanyang port selection dito. It even has the latest USB 4.0 port with a total data transmission speed of up to 40 Gbps. Also equipped with a full function Type-C, HDMI 2.0, may USB 3.0 port, at meron pa siyang 3.5mm headphone jack. Look at this, yung kanyang power button ay may fingerprint power. Nagre-register yung fingerprint. Tapos yung keyboard niya, merong backlighting. Also well laid out keyboard po to. Yung nga lang wala siyang numpad. Which for me is may pros and cons. For example, yung mga tao dyan na gustong-gusto talaga yung numpad for extra flexibility sa kanilang work. Siyempre, mas madali mag-compute sa numpad. Parang calculator lang. Pero at the same time, it does look a lot sleeker without the numpad. Parang mas konti yung keys, mas refined yung look. At siyempre, pinagkasya nila yung speakers dito. By the way, 6 yung kanyang speakers. My guys, 6 speakers po to. Napakalakas ng sound niya. And that trackpad, look at that trackpad. Ang laki. The trackpad is just so spacious that my fingers have so much freedom to move around. Also, very smooth yung kanyang feel. It kind of feels the same as that premium brand. Pero yung button press ay medyo sakto lang. Nagmamahal na kasi yung style na ganun. If you know what I mean. Sa ilalim, you do get those rubber stoppers para hindi gumagalaw sa table when you're working. Meron sa mga stickers dito, no? Intel Core i5, Intel Iris Xe graphics, meron pa siyang TUV SUD low blue light protection, at meron pa siyang DTS:X. Now, I think the most interesting part of this laptop is its display. Guys, yung display niya ay mega na mega. Ang specs. Tecno is calling this the Mega Vision. This borderless design, well, I think may mga borders pa rin, pero syempre sobrang nipis niya. Pero 90% screen to body ratio na to, as per Tecno. This is pretty nice, no? Kasi nga, yung mga ibang laptop, 16:9. Medyo mahirap mag-work with, especially kapag height ang pinag-uusapan. This is very useful for those portrait kind of work, no? For example, mga photo editing, video editing, mas useful siya sa mga ganong instances. This is also 100% sRGB color, perfect for all you professionals out there. Tapos kanyang brightness ay 450 nits. Ayun. Does not have those HDR special powers you've seen on other very expensive laptops. Pero guys, very affordable lang to. Now the MegaBook S1 is powered by an Intel Core i5 12th generation processor. With 16GB of LPDDR5 and 1TB SSD, the performance is nothing to sneeze about. By far, very useful siya sa mga photo editing. I would debate dun sa video editing. Kasi kailangan mo talaga ng graphics card for better rendering. Pero kung Photoshop lang naman, Illustrator, pwede na siya. Kayang-kaya na niya. For Microsoft Office, PowerPoint, pwede na siya, guys. Don't worry. Spreadsheet. Shit. Also very useful for spreadsheet and Word documents kasi nga, yung height niya, mas marami kang space to work with. Pero Beans, baka pwede yun pang gaming. Well, for me, I think it's an adequate gaming laptop. Adequate lang. Siguro, yung mga lumang games or yung mga bagong games, siguro lowest possible graphics. Do not expect this to run Crysis. Wag lang kayo mag-expect na mag-run to ng Cyberpunk. May ray tracing, guys. Hindi po to gaming laptop. I mean, yung itsura pa lang niya, hindi pang gaming. Pero to sabi ni Tecno, 31 seconds lang daw yung kanyang export ng 4K video sa Premiere Pro ng isang 1 minute na video. Tapos 1 second lang daw, kaya niya mag-open ng 4GB na PowerPoint file. Meron na rin siyang VC cooling. Dual fans po yung kanyang nasa ilalim. This allowed the laptop to perform at its highest peak without heating so much. By the way, meron siyang webcam, 2 megapixels po yan, na meron smart AI FaceTime. This supports face beauty, virtual background, and face chasing technology. Ito yung pang-zoom calls to. Oh, by the way, meron siyang dalawang microphone na merong AI noise cancellation technology. Meron na siyang ginagawang something. Let's say meron kayong katabi dito na dalawang tao na nagsasalita or may electric fan sa background. With this AI technology, during Zoom kapag ka nagsasalita kayo, kayo lang po ang maririnig. Tapos klarong-klaro pa yung boses nyo. Wow. Pero to, may bagong technology po tong si Tecno dito. Since lumundag na siya sa computers din or sa laptop, they are introducing this smartphone and PC seamless collaboration technology called the One Leap, which is very similar to some of the other brands that I've reviewed in the past, which is the ability to transfer files, mirror your phone on the laptop itself. Actually, pwede mo control yung mismong phone dito sa laptop using the trackpad. You can even type on the phone using the keyboard on the laptop itself. Tapos meron siya yung mga magic dito naka-gesture. Kung gusto mag-transfer ng files na ng napakabilis, ito, you just go to the gallery, select all these files, and syempre kailangan mag One Leap dito. Dapat nakakonect na siya. I-swipe mo lang siya using your free fingers, papunta dun sa screen, and voila! Parang binato mo lang yung files dun sa display at nag-transfer na siya ng napakabilis. This is through Wi-Fi. Meron pala siyang NFC, guys. May NFC siya. Pero meron din siyang Wi-Fi connection and Bluetooth connection. And the transfer rate, even for gigabyte files, is just so fast wirelessly. Now, the mirroring of the screen or controlling of the screen ng cellphone dito ay pwedeng dalawang instance daw dito sa laptop. So, pwede siyang dalawang screen na side by side dito sa laptop display, giving you a very flexible multitasking. Now, overall, this is a huge leap in terms of design, specs, and even the pricing. At alam nyo ba, hindi na ako masyado nagbabay ng mga Taiwanese laptops kasi nga medyo pricey talaga and parang hindi na sila ganun kasulit. There are other alternatives that offer maybe even better specs. Same premium build as the other brands, but at a fraction of a price. And that is a Tecno MegaBook S1 laptop. Ito lang parang sobrang nakakagulat na itong brand na to. Ano pa kaya yung kanyang pasabog this year? Kasi so far, it's bringing in the innovation. At the same time, very affordable pa ang kanyang offerings. Tecno, you are getting us all excited with your products. Sana lang magtuloy-tuloy to. And if you want to see more innovative Tecno products in the future, mag-subscribe ka lang, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our great content bins and you're watching Unbox Diaries. Woohoo!